Theorem 3.5. The chords corresponding to congruent arcs of a circle or congruent circles are congruent. So here we have to draw one circle and what is given? Congruent arcs. So two arcs. I'll write the two arcs. This is the one arc. I'll name this as circle with center B, and this arc is AC and middle point is P. So this is arc APC and this is the arc DE and the middle point I'll write Q. So arc APC and arc DQC are congruent. So congruent arcs of a circle. So these are the two congruent arcs of a circle. Or we can take the two circles and take the two arcs. So now we are not taking the two congruent circles, we are using a one circle, so of a circle. So these are the two congruent arcs of a circle. It is given. Now we have to prove that the chords corresponding to the congruent arcs. So to this arc, this AC is a chord, and for this arc DE is a chord. So AC and DE are the chords corresponding to the arc APC and arc DQE respectively. Now we have to show that the chords corresponding to the congruent arcs of a circle are congruent. So we have to show that these chords are congruent if it is given the arcs are congruent. So in this theorem we have the arc PC, APC and arc DQE are congruent, and we have to show that the chords AC and DE are congruent. For this we'll do the construction. We'll join this line AB, AC, this BD and BE. Now we have got two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle BDE. Now we will show that these two triangles are congruent, and if these two triangles are congruent, that means this AC is also congruent to DE. So it is given that a circle with center B, arc APC is congruent to arc DQE. Now we have to prove that chord AC is congruent to chord DE. Now we have done the construction, we have drawn these four segments. Now we'll start the proof. According to the definition of minor arc, the minor arc is equal to the central angle. So measure of arc APC is equal to measure of angle ABC, and measure of arc DQE is equal to the angle DBE. Okay, and as these two arcs, arc APC and DQE, these are the congruent which is given. So it means that if these two arcs are congruent, that means that these two angles are also congruent. So angle ABC and angle DBE are congruent. Just mark as 1 because we have to use this to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Now we'll consider these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DBE. So now in this two triangle, AB is congruent to DB, the radii of the same circle, and also BC is congruent to BE, it is also radii of the same circle, and this angle now we have proved it's congruent to this, this is congruent to this, and these two angles are congruent. Therefore by side angle side test, these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so I have written AB congruent to DB, radii of the same circle, BC congruent to BE, radii of the same circle, and the angle ABC congruent to DBE, which we have proved in 1. So these two triangles are congruent by the side angle side test. Therefore the chord AC is congruent to DE. We'll write first seg AC congruent to seg DE. This is the corresponding side of congruent triangle. So that is chord AC is congruent to chord DE.